Hey everybody, my name's Amber and I've got a secret that I've got to share with you. Do you want to know how to take your smile from this to this? Pop-on veneers. Another question that I see a lot is, do you sleep in them? Do you take them in and out all the time? When I get up in the mornings, I put them in and I wear them all day with no problems. After a while they don't feel fake at all. My only regret is not trying to get them sooner. And now I'm gonna walk across that stage in my cap and gown and I'm gonna be smiling at everybody in the audience, smiling in all the pictures, and I just love them. I love them so much. I eat with them, I go to work in them, I go to the store in them, I take my kids to the park in them, and you never think how your smile is gonna impact your life like that. And I'm so much more confident now with my pop-on veneers. I don't have to cover my mouth when I laugh or cover my mouth when I'm talking to someone, or I was the worst for not making eye contact with people because of my teeth. So run and get your pop-on veneers. If you have been on the fence about it, this is your sign to do it.
Don't hesitate, just click order now.